I was walking through a desert. For some reason, it was not hot. As I started walking, fine sand stuck to my legs and they felt heavy. No matter how far I went, the scenery stayed the same. It was just me there and the massive dunes of sand. As I dragged my heavy legs forward, I started seeing a dim light far ahead. A shining bed. What is this? Where am I? Reality and unreality are blending. The leader in Japanese network research is a facility in Nomi, a city in Ishikawa Prefecture. The facility is called Hokuriku StarBED Technology Center. At the facility, which is part of the National Institute of Information and Communications Technology, talented researchers in various network fields gather from public, academic, and government agencies. Using one of the world's biggest PC server groups, the facility is promoting research and development of StarBED, a large-sized emulation testbed. TESTBED is a generic term for an experimental platform used for large system development. It replicates a real system environment for various types of testing. Before technology and products are introduced to an actual network environment, potential errors can be figured out and prevented. It is like using laboratory mice for cyber testing. At the Hokuriku StarBED Technology Center, this testbed, called StarBED, is a large PC server group of more than 1,000 PC servers. Since the center first opened, StarBED has been used to carry out research projects matched to emerging network technology. The popularization of the internet and broadband that started in the early 21st century changed the way we live. To verify systems and services with these technologies embedded, a large testing environment replicating an actual network environment was necessary. However, actual testing used 10 PC servers at most, which was far from the actual environment. In 2002, 500 PC servers were configured to develop StarBED, a general-purpose internet simulator, unlike any previous simulators. By installing a large number of PCs, a large and realistic environment for verification that runs real applications and real devices was created. This was the goal of the first StarBED project and the beginning of the subsequent StarBED projects. StarBED evolved as social trends changed at a rapid pace. The internet became essential for people's lives unimaginably fast. These days, computers are embedded in everything, allowing us to access networks anytime and anywhere. The StarBED 2 project began in 2006. Experimentation was expanded to include familiar items, such as sensors that detect temperature and humidity, and home appliances. This led to construction of the foundations for a system that can handle large computational processing loads. and also made it possible to simulate variable communication conditions within a wireless environment, such as the shape of a room, obstacles in a room, and human motion. In 2011, with the StarBED Cubic project, experimentation was further expanded from the results of the first and second projects. This project also made it possible to build a larger scale, more realistic test environment for experimentation with up to 1 million components. The borderline between reality and unreality is being erased, and they are blending together as StarBED continues to evolve. The Internet of Things. The age of IoT, in which every object, thing, and human will be connected to a network. The relationship between humans and devices is becoming closer. Let's look at the example of the relationship between cars and humans. As of 2017, there are still many issues to be resolved for completely automated operation of cars. There are many challenges in the traffic environment, the timing of traffic lights, the speed of other cars, and the movement of people at pedestrian crossings. For accident-free automated operation of cars, every event needs to be verified. That being said, to ensure the safety of IoT technology that affects people's actions and lives, the most important challenge has been to research a verification system that replicates these events. For this reason, the StarBED 4th project began in 2016. In case of a natural disaster, how should people evacuate? When a building is built in a certain town, how does the flow of people, wind, and money change? Verification by devices only cannot replicate world events. The building of a true verification system that allows real humans to live in a virtual testing environment and also allows tests to adjust to people's movements and physical phenomena. This is the goal the StarBED 4th project is trying to achieve. For the purpose of product development and verifying technologies, many companies and universities are already utilizing the large-sized, realistic testing environment provided by StarBED, including verification of the software algorithms that make automated operation of cars possible. The capacity of services that are expected to be heavily utilized is also checked, as well as measures to protect against cyber attacks in a closed environment. As such, StarBED has contributed to many cases of commercialization and market viability. StarBED continues to freely evolve to suit the verification subject, new technologies, and world trends. The more ideas people have, the more the future of StarBED will expand. Imagine a world where every object and thing that's tested in StarBED's Unreal World is brought into the real world, making people's lives more fun and convenient. Taking in everything in the universe and testing it on StarBED. Such an era may be just around the corner. A world where reality and unreality will blend.